insert from this side and see what happens. Nope, it just becomes a cone. See, it kinks. I'll do this more rapidly this time. Oh my god. There we go, that's the trick. Do it quickly. And it comes out. Hopefully that got recorded. Press. Do it quickly. Ah, fuck, it ripped. Son of a bitch. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Well, when I did it quickly, that one went through. This one, we got a problem. Probably could have done it in this orientation. I don't know why I did it upside down. Ugh, I'm missing a piece. Look how nicely that went through, though. Need to find a better pair of needles with what I got there. Maybe the electrical ones. Come on, you lesbian.